Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to our channel. So for today's video tutorial, I'll be teaching you on how to cancel your subscription on your NordVPN. So to start, we'll have to go first on the app. As you can see here in the app, there's no option to cancel your subscription. So to do that, we'll have to go to the Google browser. And then here, let's type on nordvpn.com. And then here on the browser, let's click on the three bar button at the top, and then let's click on login. Then go to the billing information. So here, click on the subscription. So on this page, you're supposed to see the option for manage subscription or manage auto renewal. If you don't see it here, you just have to go to your Gmail and then click on the email that you receive when you subscribe on your NordVPN. Then here, click on the your subscription, and then you will be redirected to this page, and then click on the NordVPN icon, and then here you'll now see the option for canceling your subscription. Just click on that, and then here you'll be asked why you want to cancel your subscription. You can click other and then type your reason. For me, let's just say will subscribe some other time, and after that click proceed or continue, and then here you'll see the information about canceling your subscription. After reading that, you can now proceed and cancel your subscription. So that's how easy you can cancel your subscription on your NordVPN. I hope this video helped you out, and if you have any comments or questions, please do comment it down below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will always be updated with our new uploads. Thank you, and I'll see you on our next video.